wish your child was the next Albert Einstein? Now, there's no magic wand or quick fix to improve intelligence. However, check out my 4 top tips to improve your child's overall ability to learn. Number 1 is a really easy and obvious one. It's eating well and sleeping well. A good balanced diet, lots of fruit, vegetables and protein will help your child feel really fresh. If you have a good, set, regular bedtime with your child, they'll have a much better quality of sleep. So make sure you take away any devices that may distract them, and they'll be much more ready to learn the next day. Number 2 is to improve their memory. Now, if your child can't remember what they had for breakfast that morning, they're going to find it very difficult to remember those vital facts that they need in maths and English. Great news is you can improve memory a bit like a muscle. So get your child to learn key facts like birthdays in the family or their mobile number. And then you can slowly build that to countries in the world beginning with A, for example. You will soon learn that your child can keep a lot of information and retain it in the short term. And then they can slowly get better at remembering those facts over time. Just keep asking them. Number 3 is to read with your child. That really helps their vocabulary and their comprehension skills. I'd recommend reading a page of an encyclopedia every day or a children's news article. They'll really improve their general knowledge too. Finally, play games with your child. Chess is an excellent game to improve logic and strategy. And I'd also really recommend Scrabble because they'll have to manipulate all the tiles to be able to improve their language skills by making words. It's a great game as well to play with the family. Hopefully these tips are useful to you, and I look forward to seeing how they work on your child.